Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to install Tag Studio. The first thing you have to do is go onto Voxel's GitHub and link down below, and then also go on the Python page, also the link down below. And first step is go to code on the GitHub page, click download zip, and after you've done that, you will want to extract that file like I did already, so I don't really have to do it. And after that you will go on to Python. You will not need this one. You will be wanting 3.10.2, which is correctly linked down below. This one. And you will scroll down, and if you have Windows, go into Windows Installer 64-bit and download this. Follow the steps on Python, which I've already done. After it's done, click close. So what are you going to do after you are finished with this? After installing those both, what you will want to do is first extract the Tag Studio main folder, then go into your CMD and type in cd, and then where you have your Tag Studio main file, this one, where you have this open, we'll go into this and just copy it. In the console, type cd space and paste this one in. Then you click enter and you have this, which is good. It can look like this. Now you need to create an virtual environment. How you are going to do that? First you type in just python 3 -m venv.venv. So if it says Python was not found from installed Microsoft, then try py-venv.venv, and this should work. This should look like this. And when you open your Tag Studio, this folder should be new. And what you have to do is open this folder, then click on Scripts, then open the Activate Windows batch file. It should just open for a second and then just unopen. This is correct. And then after you've done that, you open the pip file thing. This should just like this open a quick window. And now after you've done that, you will need to go back to your CMD like this, then then type in this, and it should like this, where when this virtual environment is in front of that. And after you just follow the tutorial, after you've done that all step by step, you will be wanting to type in this pip install -r requirements.txt, and if you enter that, there should be a lot of things downloading. This is correct. I will show screenshots of it downloading, and you can then just check if it's correct. Then at the bottom it should say a new version of pip is available. Just ignore that. And after you're completely done with that, you should be able to close this, and when you're done, you're able to click on the start_win thing. Then it should open the command, and there you have it. There you have Text Studio 9.1 Alpha. How this works is very simple. You have the edit page where you can edit a new tag, something like gaming, add color, just however you like. And then you have your file thing where you can open library, save library backup, close library, and everything. How this works is you open a library, then you will look, okay, what do I want? Just example, downloads. And if I open this, I will select this folder now. It shows the things I have in this folder, something like my YouTube profile or Twitch, emotes and stuff. Just in general, the things. And you can also open this if you like. And yeah, that's basically it. If you need help, you can join the Discord down the description. There are people who could help you out easily, and if you want to, there's also different ways to do it on Mac and Linux. Remember, that's just the alpha version. There will be a better and a beta and a better version of it later. And the guy on the Discord is currently working on a script to automate this download. But if you want Text Studio right now, this is, in my opinion, the fastest and best way to get it. And yeah, you can also, if you just like have your favorite picture, can, if you want to, add favorites and add a different tag and everything. And as you can see, this is all being tracked. Two main problems with this now yet is you will always have to have the CMD open, because if you close it itself. You have to save the library if you want to keep it, and then it's stored under downloads. Here's .text studio. And lastly, if you always want to open it, you have to do it via the start win batch file, which is at the beginning quite dumb, but at least it's working. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you had a great day, and I hope I could make it easier to download the Text Studio Alpha. And if you have any more questions, like I said, in the Discord there is a Discord link down below. I've also linked the GitHub and the Python website down below, and I will also put the commands in the description with quotation marks to make it easy to copy. If you want to copy those commands, just do it without the quotation marks. And we will see each other again very, very soon. Later.